Jamie Marasini, I'm the CEO and President of Inertial Labs. We were incorporated in 2001 and have a vast amount of experience in providing R&D services as well as producing commercial available products in the areas of orientation, position, stabilization, and navigation. First and foremost, we make inertial measurement units, or IMUs. And we make several different classes of IMUs. All of them are based on MEMS technology. Next, we combine those IMUs into larger systems, first with various types of magnetometers, including at the highest end, flux gate magnetometers into our AHRS product line. And then we also make inertial measurement units combined with small MEMS magnetometers. Again, moving towards systems, we make traditional inertial navigation systems, smaller inertial navigation systems. We're very modular in that way in which we will use our own inertial measurement units. We'll use third-party inertial measurement units. We'll also incorporate various GNSS receivers into these products, depending on the customer's need. All of them have been qualified by us, and we can speak to what are the advantages and disadvantages of the various receivers that go into the product. Inertial Labs makes an inertial navigation system. Again, it's a very modular system. And one of the things that stands out is how much the end user can influence or inject information into the device so that they can perform during GPS-denied events. So this is our latest system that we've created, and this product is geared towards the remote sensing industry or for companies that would like to offer a payload. In order for a company to offer a payload like this, which includes a GNSS receiver, an IMU, a full data logging computer along with a Wi-Fi interface or Ethernet interface, and then the laser scanner mounted on top. In order for an engineering firm to make this, it does take some expertise, not just in how to combine all of those different modules together, but then to have the timing exactly right and to create all of the interface so that someone can then fly this and gather useful data. Then the main purpose of the company is to go out and to provide the expertise on how someone would use this product. What we're trying to offer to our partners is the ability for them to bypass the man-years of engineering that goes into building the payload and then maintaining the components of the payload, and to focus on their main function of their business, which is offering a remote sensing solution to the end user and understanding that market. One of the main features that we built into this product line is the ability to one-click process data, so that the end user, when they're done, they can pull out their thumb drive. This will contain all of the camera imagery, all of the laser scanning data, the GNSS raw data, the IMU raw data, and the templated setup files, so that the user only needs to click one time to get the trajectory information processed, and then the point cloud processed, and then finally a colorized point cloud. And that's all done within the data folder on this drive, and it really is one click away. Our partners can take this device and work with us so that all of the software in the pipeline is branded and has the look and the feel that they want. In order to start recording, you can either just use a button press, or you can log into the browser to where you can start recording and then also check the status of your recording in real time. Inertial Labs is searching for partners that want to have a fleet of payload solutions, whether this is for power line inspections, bridge inspection solutions, forestry, for survey. We're looking for companies that are trying to build a business and need a partner on the hardware and software automation side so that they can be successful. For 20 years, Inertial Labs has made inertial measurement units and systems for solving deep technical problems relating to position, orientation, navigation, and stabilization. Our experience goes across marine, industrial, military, into things like autonomy, stabilization, and we engage with our customers to help get the maximum performance out of the product. Inertial measurement units, systems such as inertial navigation systems, and then again, custom developments where we work to make hybrid solutions that can incorporate many different types of inputs in order to achieve what the customer needs.